Okay, right, so today we're at Massingham Park in Taunton. We're about to see a 2-bedroom apartment. I've been to this one over the course of the weekend. It's immaculate. You're going to absolutely love it. So for an investor, it's a dream. They rent so quickly. They get really good returns, nice and close to town, but for first-time buyer as well, absolutely fantastic. This one in particular is immaculate. The vendors have done a great job keeping things up together. They've renovated, they've done this, that, and the other. Nearly walked into a bike shed. Come and have a look. I'm really excited. Let's go. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home. Okay, so come with me. We're going to see a beautiful apartment here where everything's pretty much brand new. We've got 2 really good sized double bedrooms. We've got a bathroom, again, brand new. Flooring literally just went down yesterday. Behind me, you're going to see this beautiful living space, which opens up again into another brand new kitchen. Take a look. Okay, hopefully that didn't disappoint. I'm sure you agree it's a beautiful apartment. If you're an investor or a first-time buyer, drop me a call, give me an email, book your viewing. I'd love to get you in.